Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to VADIVUKARASI's Learn, Aspire, and Inspire channel. I know that we all are expert and well versed in using PowerPoint, but how far that PowerPoint is effective nowadays? Earlier, it was interesting, but now I felt that it creates monotony. To make it more interesting and more impressive, you have to work out in PowToon. PowToon is a portmanteau word for PowerPoint and cartoon. It is a cloud-based animated software. Open Google Chrome and we shall type PowToon. You just type PowToon.com, right? It will show here video maker, make videos and animations online, PowToon.com. If you type that, it will take you to this interface. PowToon's new visual communication platform is coming. Okay, but actually this is the platform where you have to log in. So how to log in, you know that usually for any softwares, this is right. So connect and inform, inspire. You have to connect, inform and inspire, log in. So shall we log in with Google account? These are the options you have. Even with you can continue with your account in Office 365. So I prefer Google account with my Google account. Okay. So this is the homepage of PowToon, that is PowerPoint and cartoon, and you could see these were some of the PowToons, the PowerPoints I have created in this interface. You can see here. So I tell you, yeah, you can edit. It is. I told you already. This is a cloud-based software. So anytime you can come back and edit your photos which you have created already, right? So you can see the animation here, right? And also, yeah. And if you want a hand to write, so that's it. This is the one sample which I have. I show you for you to understand how we have to. So shall we go and create one? If you want to take it from a template, you can go for it. And if you want to import, if you want to create, right, start from scratch. I would like to create. So if I click, you have to select whether it is going to be horizontal, which shape you want, a square or vertical. These are the three options. I prefer horizontal, but because I tried all these other two, I didn't find it comfortable. I felt this interface to type, no, it would be easy for you, right? It would load. It's not that very fast, like right. Hi, VADIVUKARASI. Let's choose a look for your PowerPoint. It gives some suggestion which you want. Is it a modern edge or whiteboard? I prefer whiteboard, right? If you click, you get like this, right? New, create your own characters, beta. If you want to create your own characters, it will direct you. It will guide you. If you're a new to this new visitor to this interface, to this software, it will guide you how to use this interface, right? So it is asking you, but I don't need now, right? So you can see here, created using PowToon. So this is a blank slide here. If you want to, and also see here like how we used a Canva. Here also you can see background, text, characters, properties, shapes, images, videos, sounds. Okay, sounds. And if you want something special, you can go here, right? So background, if I click background, you can upload any background. Also you can pick a background color, right? And also they give some free backgrounds as well, right? And if you want a text also, you can click it, right? So if you want to upload a background, you can click here, right? You can click here and you can click upload. Okay, for example, if I click this one, this picture, yeah, see, you can, this is the background. If you want to write something, you can go click text, add title, you can add it. So when the moment I click, you get all these options, right? So what's special about this effects? I'll show you how to, but let me type something. Okay. So if you want to change the color of this text, select it. Here is the color, right? Click it. Okay. And the font size, the font, the I would like to change the font, right? Right. You can select like this. So the color, the font, everything, the size. So you can see here also. If you want to increase the font size, you can click here and increase. If you want to change the color, you can click here and change the color, right? Okay, this change the color, right? So it is very happy thing to do with no something unique, something different. You will enjoy it. Okay, but here you can see if I maximum the seconds here is 20 seconds you can record. You can each slide is limited to 20 seconds. Continue your video scene on the next slide. It shows like that you can voice over, you can record, or you can add your music, anything here. But it is limited. Each slide is limited to 20 seconds, right? Okay. So this is one thing that you have to know, and how to add the video also. If you want to add it, you can add it here. Another important thing is character. So if I click below the text on character, you can select one character, what character that I want. This is pro. If it is written pro, it is you have to buy it. We have to go for some free, right? But sometimes the free images won't be that very impressive. So that choose another look. No, right? Maybe let me try this one. Pro picture, right? Okay, maybe here if I select one, happy, right? You can use it here. This animated picture, right? So like that, you can go for it. So if it is a pro, it's not nice. Colorful things, multi-character, multi-pro. But if you click pro, which if you don't buy it, it will show it here, pro. Okay, right. So that's it. But yeah, if you want to add voiceover, the sound, everything is here. And I told you some effect, no? Before that, I'll tell you how to have the effect, right? And yeah, here, click it. Okay, the settings, you have to click it. This is the effect. It shows write or appear or scale or word. So you can go for this writing. I always like this writing. Okay, I click this. This is the enter effect, exit effect and enter effect. So I selected this as the enter effect and I close this one. So you can add or you can voice over. You can voice over your slide by clicking this symbol, right? And you can click here. You can go for either immediately. You can record it. You can voice over it, or you can upload the already recorded audio. So that's special about it. Okay, so you can do that. So yeah, you can add voiceover, and also you can add the music as well. You want to speak as well as if you want the background music also, you can select here. Okay, you can go and click here and you can add your music, or if you want you can see here my voice, my voiceovers. Okay, so that's it. And after creating everything, you can see See, I already we have selected one animation, no? So this one, this animation, this character, as well as the entry, the text. For the text, you can see, you can click, you can see here this one, right? Shall we play this? Okay, you have to check this. Mm-hmm. Yeah, maybe the text we can keep it here and can you can see the handwriting. Okay, you can see that. Yeah, this is what I have. Since this is the only word I have written here, right? I'll play it again. Yeah, something animated. No, it gives some life. So after that, what you have to do, you can go for number of pages, and you can add your voice, a voice over it. You can add your voiceover. You can add music, and yeah, and you can share it. You can save it, and you can come back later and do it. Or here itself, you can export it. If you click export, download as MP4. For that, you cannot download it. For downloading it directly, you need to pay and get it. And we click what it says, you have to upgrade now. Okay, to use this feature, upgrade your account. So if I click that, what does that show? Yeah, $19 per month, $49 per month, right? I don't go for it, so no need to download it. JPG, PowToon, you can publish it in PowToon. If you can directly put it in your publish it in your YouTube. I usually go for this one, and you can download it as a PPT. Okay, but this is free. You can download as PDF. You can download as PPT. Only thing is, if you want to download this as a video, you have to pay for it, and you can share the link. So these are the things you can preview this. If I click, yeah, this is the preview. You can preview it if you want as a movie or as a slideshow. You can have. If it is a slideshow, you have to click. Right? If at all I have added many slides, it will be as a slide. Now I want it as a movie, that is as a video. So you can preview. Right. So this is how you have to create it. Thank you, all of you. Being creative is beautiful. So you can impress your audience with this wonderful software called PowToon, and all the best for that. And to receive many such videos, don't forget to click the bell icon and select all to receive all my videos. Thank you all of